read the script at first. It came kind of close to having just lost my husband, and I didn't think I could do it. I didn't think I'd ever step in front of a camera again or on stage. But I read it, and I, of course, saw how great the writing was. And for me, that's so important. It's just amazing. But I still didn't think I could do it. And then I called my publicist and said, wait a second. So, because when I went to bed that night, I just couldn't help myself. I started working on this part. I thought, oh, maybe I should give this another go round. Let me read this again in the light of day. And then Jonah called, and that was that. But I also knew I did not want to wake up and see another actress take this challenge. I wanted to get out of my comfort zone and take that challenge. I play Keanu Reeves' mother, and I don't have a big part, but it's a really good part. I'd say, a little soul searching, have a look in the mirror too, I received a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame several years ago, and it was right next to Keanu Reeves. I never told Keanu this. And so then to suddenly be working with Keanu, extra special.